Welcome to the installation video for the wall-mounted range hood from Omega National Products by Rev-A-Shelf. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools. In your box, you'll find the following parts. Install the T-nuts into the counter bored holes at the back of the mounting plate. Hammer them flush to the surface. Find and mark your studs. Studs are usually 16 inches apart. The recommended height from the bottom of the range hood to the stovetop is 30 inches. Check local building codes and regulations for final determination. Draw a level line on the wall centered to where the bottom of the range hood will go. For a straight range hood like ours, measure up 4 5/8 of an inch from that line. That's where the bottom of the mounting board will go. Secure the mounting board to the studs using 6 steel wood screws, not included. Not using the sufficient size and length screws may cause a failure in the mounting system and possible injury. Loosely insert the 10 24 by 3/4 inch screws into the T-nuts. The screws will need to be sticking out just enough in order to hang the liner, which we will soon show in an upcoming step. Attach the blower to the liner using the 8 32 by 1/4 inch screws that come with the blower. In case of alignment issues, use the 3/16 to 1/4 inch drill bit to enlarge the holes of the liner. Set the mounting brackets on the liner with the flange facing away from the blower. Insert the 10 24 by 3/4 inch bolts up from the bottom of the liner and loosely fasten with the hex nuts, which will be visible from the top. Hang the blower assembly on the screws, extending from the mounting plate. Make sure the brackets are firmly seated into the key slots. Tighten the screws. Now you can fully tighten the bolts that secure the mounting brackets to the liner. Make all ventilation and connections at this time. Adhere to all building codes in your area. Carefully position the range hood against the wall and slide down onto the French cleats. The liner should be slightly above the wood. Fasten the metal liner to the range hood using the number 8 by 1/2 inch screws. Measure from the top of the range hood to the ceiling to determine the height of the chimney. Cut to length. Measure 5 5/8 inches up from the top of the range hood and mark with your pencil. That's where the first chimney mounting block will go. For the second chimney mounting block, measure up 12 1/4 inches for a short chimney, or measure 19 3/4 inches for a tall chimney. Mark the second chimney mounting block location. Secure the mounting blocks. Snap the chimney to the chimney mounting blocks. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.